Hello folks, and welcome to the PageTiger Tutorials. My name's Dave and I'll be walking you through the mystery that is the PageTiger document. So here we are at our landing page. We've logged in and we're ready to rock and roll. We've found the document we want to work on. This is the one we've been using throughout, and we just click on the design link and it opens up the whole document here. And this is great. So what we want to do is we want to add an image to spice this document up, and we can do that by going over, making sure we're under design first of all, and then going over to the toolbar and selecting this image here, or this control here, and then that will allow us just to draw something on the screen. And you can see it's a grey box like it was with the story and the text box, and all we need to do now is click on the control in the top left, and that will open up our library of imagery. We have lots of images here that we could choose from. These are pretty much every image I've uploaded from for every project that I've done with the trust. So, but let's say we want to add our own image, a brand new image. Now, normally what I would suggest is that you would put all your images into one folder. All the images you think you're going to use in your PageTiger document, put them all into one folder. If you can, kind of have them prepared, crop them, change the size of them, or whatever it is you need to do. And then we go to the cog and down to the cog at the top right, and then go down to upload images. This takes us to the upload image list. Okay, so we have a couple of steps here that maybe are a little bit obligatory. So we have to go down to the add files. And I've got an image here that I want to upload just as a bit of a test for us. So I'm going to select that image, and I'm going to click open. But you see, I've selected it and I've clicked open, but really all it's done is add it to the list to be uploaded. So we now have to start to upload. But we could have selected a load of files there, and they would all be listed here. And then when we start upload, it would go through them one by one and upload the file. Now you can see I've actually uploaded that file before, but that's okay. Select OK. And it will put it into the document as we see fit. Sometimes I find that when you insert a picture, you'll have the little cursor spinning as if it's working on something. But normally all you do is you just click off the image and then click back on it, and everything's all good. Now to keep this in just to check to make sure it's in proper ratio size, we can click this button here, which means that it'll resize it to fit and keep the ratio. So if we were to change that picture to, let's have a look. Oh, here we go. This is the co-production learning and development team. Well, as it was a couple of years ago. But I know I have permission for each of these people to use this photograph, hence I'm using the photograph. If we wanted to change the size of that, and then want to make sure that it's still holding the ratio value so that nobody's kind of stretched or squished, then that's what we can do. But then we can obviously change the size of it again to fit a region that we want to put it in. There we go. And whoops, just stretch it out to fit that. And then what we can do is just hit the ratio button, and once again it will add it so that it fits perfectly into the space we want it to fit and in the correct ratio. So as with every time we make a change that we want to keep, we go over to the update document button and we click the button. And once the update is complete, we'll be returned to this page, and you can see that we can actually see a little preview of our page. And that's it. That is how you add an image to a PageTiger document. So thank you very much for listening, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.